Hi, and welcome to day 2 of the My Shabby Valentine's YouTube hop. I want to thank my sweet friends, Kim Murray, who is Salty Beach Scrapper, Debbie Adams, Creative Life, and Robyn Pitts, who is Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs, for inviting me to participate in the hop. I have had so much fun creating the projects, and I love seeing what everyone else has created as well. I will have all of the links to our host as well as the designers in the description box below. And I do want to go over the rules for the giveaway. You must be 18 years or older, a visible subscriber to all of the channels, and I do have a short video so you can verify that your subscriptions are visible. And I would recommend that you double check your settings just in case. You must like and comment on each video in the hop, and it is open to US and international subscribers. International subscribers will receive an online cash payment in lieu of a physical prize. So make sure to check the description box in each video because their rules could vary slightly. And today, what I am sharing is an explosion box with a pop-up element on the inside. And the paper that I chose to use for this is Prima With Love by Frank Garcia. And if you follow Frank Garcia, you know that he is amazing and all of his papers are shabby chic. This was just a perfect paper collection for this hop, I thought. For the top of it, I've decorated it with this heart, and I did cut this out with my silhouette using a foul from the Silhouette Design Store. I will try to remember to link all of the fouls that I used from there in the description box as well. So if you have any questions, always check that description box. I cut the heart out, and then I chose to add some different sized pearls here along the top, and I love how that came out. I added my flower cluster, and then I've put some diamond dust. I hope you can see the sparkle. It's just so beautiful, and I'm hoping it's showing up on camera. The flowers, some of them are from ASC Craft Supplies and some are from my stash. The seam binding, I colored it myself using some distress inks, and I did put a little pearl there on the center. And I used my Zutter Bow It All to make my little double loop bow. And I do have a tutorial for how I make these in the description box. Also use some of these, I always call them my little berry fillers, and tucked in just a few places. And I also take a paintbrush and wrap the stem around to get my little curlicues. And I have some leaves that I've cut out with my Cricut. A little tip, so you'll always have leaves when you need them. I will use a lot of my scrap green paper in varying shades, and I'll cut those out, and I just use one of the Dollar Tree embellishment boxes that we all have, and I'll just cut out different sized leaves in different colors and put those in there, and then I'll have them when I need them. So that's a little tip for you if you're trying to decide what to do with your scrap paper. I did use some pink lace from my stash, and I went around the heart, and the heart is sitting on some pop dots. So that is the top, and I'm so happy with how it came out. And this glitter paper, I do believe is champagne, and I did pick it up from Hobby Lobby. I just love the color. And then I'll just turn it on its side. On the lid, I have the rosette trim with the little pearls wrapped around the top, and then I have some of this really pretty Venetian lace underneath. I have another design from the Silhouette Store, is this flourish, and I've added some pearls where it intersects. On the paper, it says, "Carry me in your heart and good for 30 cents. I thought that was really pretty, and I love how he's tucked in the hearts with his floral clusters and this really pretty muted pink design on the ivory or cream paper. And here I have some pearl trim as well as some more of the pink lace from the top. And this was my favorite paper in the collection, are these puffy hearts on this chippy painted wood background. I just thought those were so pretty. And then he has tucked in some of his floral clusters. The lace trims just wrap around the box. Now on this part where they will pop open, it's just on each section. So on this side, I have another piece of the paper with a beautiful roses, another Silhouette Design Store flourish with some more pearls, Another side of the puffy hearts with the chippy paint. And on the bottom, I did put some flat back pearls. And we'll go back to the top. You take the lid, if you've not seen it in an explosion box, when you take the lid off, it just explodes open. So I created drawers for my explosion box, and I was going to use an SVG file, but when I went to cut it out, I wasn't real happy with how it was made. I wanted it a little bit different, so I just used my paper trimmer and scoreboard and came up with this design, which is very similar to the SVG file. It was fairly simple to make, and I will be creating a tutorial for it, but I am going to change the measurements just a little bit. I wasn't planning on putting such a large centerpiece in, so I wish that I would have made my box 6 by 6. My box is 5 by 5, so I wished I would have made it a little bit bigger because it is very snug when I close it up, and I wasn't able to decorate here on the inside. But the paper is so gorgeous, I don't think it really needs anything. Just cut out these little heart pieces again with the silhouette. Just love the paper. Here are some more wooden frames. And then he has this beautiful collage paper. What I did is I just put pieces that were opposite of each other. I used the same paper. Even though this looks different, it was from the same sheet. You can see the blue frame there and the other side there. And I did put some more little pearls on the hearts and the flourish parts. And when you open the drawer, I have some goodies. On the inside. And these are some rosettes that I had received in one of my swaps or my giveaway. And I'm not sure who made these, so I'm sorry. But I just wanted to have something on the inside so you could see they are fairly substantial. The boxes measure 4 by 5, and they are almost an inch deep. So a nice size. And then I'm going to turn it this way. It's a little bit easier to open. And here are some triple layer bows. And here you can see the beautiful paper. Here's some more of the, it's different frames, but he has the flowers and the teacups. It's just gorgeous. And I'll just set these to the side. And I'll turn this one and open it up. And I've made some handmade flowers. And I love this paper. I thought it was so pretty with the cakes and the little tart pans with the flowers and some more of his hearts and that beautiful pink background. So pretty. And one more. And these were some bows that I received either in my giveaway or a swap. But once again, the beautiful framed paper. And I don't think I pointed out, I have like a frame down here along the bottom, and it has some more of the flourishes and the hearts. And I wanted to change the angle of the camera. You can see that this box is elevated, and I had my husband cut down a wooden candlestick for me so I could elevate the box. And I did take some more of the pink rosette and pearl trim and wrap around the bottom. So when we open the box, that pops up. When I saw this, I knew I wanted to put it in my explosion box, but I had already created it. I did make it, I do believe, a little bit smaller than the tutorial I followed, and I will link her in the description box as well. I'm not sure, I think her name is Handlavet. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. I thought that was such a neat element, I had to try it. So I did cut out a little heart box. Once again, from the Silhouette Design Store, I did put some pearls around the decorative paper heart. I added some more flowers from ASC Craft Supplies, and I will turn it around so you can see how the box. And I did tuck some pink tulle in the box just so it would have some filler. And when you close it, it just goes down in like so. And I do have some geometric hearts on all 4 sides, and there you can see that beautiful pink paper with the white polka dots. And I'll hold it like this so you can see that front again. Hopefully you can see the diamond dust on the flowers. And I added some pearls here on the front, as well as a little pearl cabochon over the heart on the frame that I cut out. Just open it like so. I just think it's so clever. Whoever came up with that did a stunning job. I want to thank everyone for participating in the My Shabby Valentine's YouTube hop. I appreciate it very much. I love reading your comments. And a special thank you to Kim, Debbie, and Robyn. I really appreciate your friendship and inviting me to participate in the hop. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.